Look at me. Look at me. My pumpkin. My cutie pie. You understand? You hold him. He's attached with you. He doesn't feel that cold. Where are we going? Are we really climbing? Huh? Are we really climbing? Which way? Okay. Oh, windy. Can we sleep here? Can we sleep here? Ooh, here is New Mexico! Yay! Fake Mexico! Yeah! Old Mexico! Yeah! One more time. How much did you pay?
Free.
Why?
Free.
Why? Why is it free? Soldiers are free. Military. JJ is so excited. You should see his face. Here it's so beautiful. So wild place. Human didn't touch this land, kind of. Oh wow. They are both happy and delighted. Step on this land. It's very quiet, new. Oh, and then he and I have never been to this state, New Mexico. Just when you drive 30 minutes from Texas, where we live, we could get here, New Mexico. Oh, this is Rock Mountain. Rock Mountain. It's white or light brown color? What's the color? You think he's cold a lot? Oh my. So funny. The father and the son. Come here! Come here! Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Who made this stinky bear? Why did you poop? Why didn't you poop in the potty? Huh, JJ? You made a lot of work for me. Huh? Who is like? Huh? You are like who? Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun. Adventure time! Dun. True love. Some says we are true. Our love is true love. Is it? You crack me up. Really? It's cold? 똥쟁아, 너 똥만 팡팡팡 싸고 똥 싸고. Fish bear family. 얘기야. Baby bear. 아, 멋지다. Awesome. Whew. Which tree is up there? This one? These ones? Ah, over there. Let's see.
Think.
This up there, there's one tree. Ooh. Like something. 또 다른 친구들은 걷잖아. 넌 왜 안 걸어? 오. JJ 다른 친구들은 걷잖아. Why don't you walk, JJ? We might regret if we go forward. Ha ha ha. JJ.
JJ, you cold? You shaking?
He's kind of a statue. Frozen statue. Let's go back. All right. It's okay. We have chance. We have a lot of chance. Like Batty. Are you happy, JJ? Happy baby, happy baby. Oh, JJ just sleeping? He can answer now, right?
Are you happy, baby?
Happy baby. Oh, this is where we're supposed to go. It's because there are many tourist attractions and national parks and.
The place you're talking about is like 9 hours away.
Oh my. Here? There, huh? Arizona. And people recommended white sand. What else? And we should go Dallas, Houston, San Antonio.
You ready? Down? Let's walk. Inside. Happy baby.
JJ, you wanted to poop? Pooping? Are you pooping, JJ?
You're just lazy.
Are you sleepy, JJ? Oh, pregnant bear. He say he wants to go home, he says. 이제 저희가 피곤해서 돌아가려고 합니다. My husband and baby are so tired. He couldn't sleep. My husband couldn't sleep since midnight. He was awake at the time, and so far he's been awake. And he donated his blood, so we will come back here again. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.